Simon here, CEO of Favors. I'm offering you now an exclusive business opportunity, an investment opportunity to work with us. Most of you know us through our successful blockchain events in Indonesia, namely Jakarta and Bali, through our Super VIP event and other programs and our membership networking event application. Now is a time for us to grow and scale, and we're looking for partners to work with us to invest not only financial, but also with their expertise, with their knowledge, and with their network. If you think that you're a good fit to grow with us and make money on your terms, then please reach out to us. Looking forward to hearing from you.
So I'm looking forward for any projects or any event from Favors because I know they're gonna be banging. You know, like you're gonna meet the right people, no matter if it's founder or CEO and that level, to find maybe a co-founder, advisory role, even fundings. So I'm always gonna be there.